Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Seville Classics 10-drawer cart is probably one of the most versatile and stylish storage solutions available today, offering a fantastic way to organize your craft supplies, office essentials, or even garage tools with its multicolored drawers that add a pop of personality to any space. This cart is designed to bring order and aesthetic appeal to your home or workspace, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to declutter and enhance their environment with a functional and eye-catching piece of furniture that adapts to your specific needs. Number 5. Seville Classics 10-drawer multipurpose mobile rolling cart. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your home organized. With ample drawer space, it's perfect for office supplies, cosmetics, crafts, or garage tools. This cart offers extensive storage with its 10 drawers, ensuring everything has its place. Keep your essentials tidy and easily accessible. A white, removable top tray securely holds items during movement. It's also perfect for carrying drawer contents wherever you need them. The stylish pearlescent drawers offer privacy for your belongings. Each drawer slides smoothly and can be easily removed for convenience. Equipped with 4 casters, 2 of which lock, this cart moves with ease. Tall handles make pushing and pulling it a breeze. Its versatile design adapts to any space, from your home office to the garage. Experience organization tailored to your needs. What we like? This cart offers discreet storage with its pearlescent drawers, keeping your items out of sight. The removable top tray is perfect for carrying essentials. If you need to keep supplies private and easily accessible, this is a great choice for a craft room or office. What people say? The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of supplies. Assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. The cart is sturdy and the wheels allow for easy mobility around the room. Number 4. Whitmor 10-drawer rolling craft organizer cart. Introducing the Whitmor 10-drawer rolling craft organizer cart. It's designed to bring effortless organization to your space. Crafted with 100% metal, this cart is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle all your storage needs. This rolling cart is ideal for storing a wide variety of items, from craft supplies to school essentials. Its endless organizing options make it incredibly versatile. Whether for your craft corner, a classroom, or a home workstation, it's a fun and functional addition. It provides great utility for both home and educational settings. Assembly is straightforward and only requires a Phillips screwdriver. You'll have your new organizer ready in no time. With 10 spacious drawers, you'll have plenty of room to keep everything tidy and accessible. It's designed to accommodate both large and small items with ease. What we like? Built entirely from metal, this rolling cart is designed for durability and heavy use. It offers versatile storage for tools, craft supplies, or school items. If you prioritize a sturdy, long-lasting organizer that's simple to put together, this is the one for you. What people say? The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of supplies. The cart is sturdy and well-made, with a metal frame that doesn't wobble. Assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. Number 3. Seville Classics 10-drawer multipurpose mobile rolling cart. Discover the ultimate solution for decluttering your life. With 10 spacious drawers, it's perfect for keeping everything from office supplies to craft materials neatly organized and within reach. This cart is designed to fit seamlessly into your home or workspace. Its thoughtful dimensions ensure it provides ample storage without taking up too much room. Need quick access to the top drawer? The removable top shelf makes it incredibly convenient. It's a smart design that prioritizes your ease of use. Keep your belongings private with its stylish, pearlescent drawers. The vibrant colors add a touch of personality while the smooth sliding mechanism ensures effortless access. Take your organization wherever you go. With smooth rolling casters, including 2 that lock, and easy grip handles, this cart offers unparalleled mobility and convenience. What we like? Featuring a unique removable steel top shelf, this organizer provides quick access to your top drawer and a convenient workspace. Its pearlescent drawers offer a stylish, private storage solution. Choose this if you value both accessibility and a touch of elegance in your organization. What people say? The cart is very sturdy and the drawers slide smoothly. It's a great size for organizing craft supplies and fits perfectly in my workspace. The colorful drawers make it easy to identify contents at a glance. Number 2. Yaheetech 10-Drawer Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing the Yaheetech 10-Drawer Rolling Storage Cart. It offers ample storage with 10 see-through drawers and a convenient top shelf, perfect for all your craft, office, and art supplies. This cart is incredibly versatile. Use it in your office, bathroom for toiletries, dressing room for cosmetics, or studio for art supplies and tools. Its slim design fits anywhere. Effortlessly move this cart anywhere you need it with its smooth 360 degrees castor wheels, 2 of which are lockable. When you need it to stay put, simply lock the wheels for stability. Each of the 10 drawers is independent and removable. This allows for quick organization and easy access. You can even use them as individual storage boxes. Crafted from durable chrome-plated iron and PP, this storage cart is built to last. It's odor-free, lightweight, and designed for a pleasant user experience. Don't let its slim profile fool you. This cart provides extensive storage space without taking up too much room, keeping your essentials neatly organized. What we like? This cart boasts 10 clear drawers, allowing you to easily see contents at a glance, and a slim profile that fits into tight spaces. The locking wheels ensure it stays put when you need it to. If you're looking for a space-saving solution where visibility of your items is key, this is an excellent option. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of supplies. The cart is sturdy and well-made, with a metal frame that doesn't wobble. Assembly was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. Number 1. Seville Classics 10-Drawer Rolling Organizer Cart. Introducing a versatile storage cart designed to keep your essentials organized. Its multi-purpose design makes it perfect for any space in your home or office. With 10 spacious drawers, you'll have plenty of room to store all your supplies. Each drawer is perfectly sized for various items, keeping everything tidy and accessible. Effortlessly move this cart wherever you need it thanks to its smooth rolling casters. 2 of the casters even lock in place, ensuring stability when stationary. The sturdy chrome frame offers both durability and a sleek, modern look. It's built to last while complementing your existing decor. Add a touch of color to your organization. The attractive, multicolor drawers make it easy to identify contents at a glance and brighten up your workspace. Whether for your home office, school, classroom, or craft room, this cart is the ideal solution. It brings order and style to any environment. What we like? With its stylish chrome frame and attractive colorful drawers, this organizer adds a pop of style to any space. The locking casters provide stability when needed. If you want a functional storage solution that also enhances your room's decor, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and are deep enough to hold a good amount of supplies. The cart is sturdy and well-built, with a metal frame that doesn't wobble. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.